To obtain user input, we need something called a scanner. To initialize a scanner, just simply type in scanner with a capital S, name it whatever you like, so I'm just going to call it scanner, then equals new scanner system. This sort of makes sense because we've been using system.out to print stuff out for quite a while, so now for taking input, we're going to use this system.in. You'll be given some red underlining. Just go ahead and hover over and then click this import scanner, or you can hold Control, Shift and O and Eclipse will automatically import anything that needs to be imported. I'm going to briefly explain this whole import business. In Java we have files like system which are already included because they get used so frequently. Java just assumes you're going to be using system at one point, so it's just already imported for you. Then there are files like the scanner which are not always used, so Java doesn't bother importing them for you because that would just be unnecessary. So we have to do that manually up here. Now you might think that this scanner looks like a variable, and you are kind of right, because if you do hover over here it does say the value of local variable scanner is not used. But it's not technically a variable, and that is something I'm going to have to explain quite far into the future, so just hang on here with me for the time being. Now actually taking input using this scanner is extremely easy. I'm just going to print out a brief prompt that's going to ask what someone's name is. Then I'm going to initialize a string called name, and this name is going to be equal to whatever the scanner gets on the next line. Next line just grabs an entire line of string. If I wanted an integer, I would simply rename this to int and then have next int or whatever variable type is applicable. But for right now we need a string. Then all I have to do is just print out nice to meet you, whatever their name is. And again here you see concatenation being used. And then just an exclamation mark. And we can run this. What's my name? Just click over here. I'm going to put in J. And there we have it.